Hey, good morning. So I have something a little different for you to do today for our reading lesson. It's working with words. Think about it like a word work lesson. I am going to post some list of words underneath this video or with this video when I post it. So you'll look at that set of words, and I want you to rainbow write. Most of you know what this is. It's where you're going to write the word first in pencil, and then you will go over it 3 different times with a different color. So, for example, and this is one of your words, basket. All right. I'm not sure how well you can see it with the colors, but there are 3 different colors that I've gone over that word with. Okay. So I write the word first in pencil, and then I trace over those letters 3 different times using 3 different colors. I'll show you one more here. I'm using actually a pen, but just because my pencil is broken. But I recommend a pencil, and I'm going to write the word blanket in pencil first. Okay, so I'm doing that right now. And you'll see that. Okay, then I'm going to choose my first color. I have a green marker. You can do markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you have at home that you would like to use for different colors for your rainbow write. There's the first time. Okay, I know that we've done this in class before, so you guys, it should be something you're familiar with. I chose another color. I chose purple this time. I'm going to trace over the word. See, I'm just tracing over it again. And then one final time, and my last color that I'm going to choose is going to be the orange. Okay, so I'm going to do this. You'll notice my word. All right, so there it is. All right, so I've done 2 words there. I will post your word list so that you have the words to pick. And I ask that as you're writing the word that you actually sound out the word as well. So it's helping you to learn new words. Okay. And I think that's it for now. I encourage you to still read your 30 minutes today. Pick a book from around your house and read 30 minutes, and then work on this word work activity. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day.